Hello, my name is Mike Mahon. I am a landscape and portrait artist. I've been an award-winning professional artist for about 50 years. And during the last 20 years, I have taught scores of workshops and have hundreds of students. I just want to tell you a little bit about my approach to painting and how I teach. Anybody with normal abilities, if they have the desire, can paint successfully. Because essentially, art is a craft that can be learned, but you have to be motivated, just like anything else in life. So that's the key: motivation, desire. I've seen some very good artists that weren't motivated and never accomplished anything, while some people that I thought should never be close to a canvas were so passionate that they amazed me with what they accomplished. And so it's all about desire and learning the right skills, because you take a craft, or any kind of artistic endeavor, and you develop the right skills and knowledge level, there will be a point that you transcend that craft and it does become art, because it becomes an expression of you. The craft is so ingrained, it just flows out of your spirit and transcends the mundane craft. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to kick your art up to the next level.